In the world of adventure motorcycling, the BMW GS badge carries the weight of a legendary lineage, setting the benchmark by which all other globetrotters are judged. For the 2027 model year, the Bavarian marque has turned its attention to the R12 GS, a machine beloved for its retro-infused capability. However, those expecting a revolutionary leap forward in engineering or performance might need to temper their enthusiasm. Instead of a radical overhaul born from dirt and grit, the 2027 update reads more like an exercise in corporate accounting and subtle aesthetic shifts, proving that even the most adventurous spirits are bound by the realities of modern premium pricing. The most glaring shift is strictly superficial, though it will certainly lighten your wallet. BMW is retiring the ruggedly named Sand Rover Matte, replacing it with a decidedly more urban-sounding frozen Brooklyn grey metallic. While the new matte grey undeniably looks striking under showroom lights, slapping a staggering $2,025 price tag on a paint code feels less like an upgrade and more like a tax on vanity. It marks a subtle philosophical shift, seemingly nudging the R12 GS away from its dusty off-road heritage and parking it firmly outside a gentrified coffee shop. Moving beyond the paint booth, the financial creeping continues with the bike's technology suite. The highly sought-after premium package sees a noticeable price hike, jumping from an already steep $1,805 to a cool $2,000. BMW justifies this $195 inflation by officially folding connected ride control into the bundle. While seamless smartphone integration and advanced telemetry are increasingly demanded by riders in this high-tech era, forcing buyers to absorb a near 10% premium for a feature that arguably should be standard on a flagship retro-adventure bike leaves a slightly bitter taste. If there is a silver lining for the purists who actually intend to get their boots muddy, it arrives with a healthy dose of irony. The hardcore Enduro Package Pro actually receives a price cut, albeit a microscopic one. Dropping from $880 to $875, this $5 discount feels almost comical against the backdrop of $2,000 paint jobs. Meanwhile, riders looking to add a touch of classic flair can opt for the stunning gold cross-spoke wheels for a mere $65. It is an absolute bargain in the BMW universe, but there is a catch. You cannot configure it yourself online. It is now strictly a dealer-ordered option, adding an unnecessary layer of friction to an otherwise brilliant cosmetic upgrade.